Welcome to our exclusive booth tour, Computex 2026. Today we're visiting for innovative companies that are shaping the future of AI, storage, connectivity, and smart solutions. From powerful supercomputers to intelligent edge computing and sustainable storage, let us meet the leaders driving this technology forward. Now we're at Pegatron, a leader in AI computing and smart connectivity. Here with me is David Guo, Senior Director from Software Technology Center. Hello, David.
Hi.
David, we're most curious about the Simba 2 this year. Okay, so how does it help the manufacturing, especially the digital twin and automation?
Hello, I'm David. I'm excited to introduce Simba 2, the next generation cross-play robot. Simba 2 has a whole new inward curved leg design. We changed the CAF actuator from the connecting rod architecture to the knee joint direct drive. That makes Simba more stability, more efficient, and more precise in locomotion. We also upgrade the body with the sandwich style structure. The main board and the battery are protected in the two dry rooms for waterproofing, and the middle airflow layer improve cooling. So Simba 2 is designed for the harsh climate and the environment. And the intelligence behind Simba 2 starts from simulation. We build a digital twin in ISAC Sim and train the parser in ISAC Lab. And with the sales lane and the manipulator, Simba can not only move, but understand the world and even take a physical action. Simba is right here. Welcome and see you at the Pegatron's booth.
Joining me now is Alex Wu from Product Planning Division. Hello, Alex.
Hi, how are you?
Okay, Alex, we're wondering the AI supercomputer that is using the NVIDIA Vera Rubin. Could you tell us more?
Sure. Let me introduce you for Pegatron Vera Rubin NVL72. So we have a 3+1 design on the power shelf. So the top two and then the bottom two, total 4 power shelf. And in the middle right here, this section is the compute tray. So 10 and 8, total of 18 tray. And then in the center right here is the MV switch tray. And let's follow me over here. So we have proposed exposure design, the compute tray with cable-less and fan-less design. So the bottom right here is all the tray, the chassis right here. And in the middle right here is the U1.S, the module design. In the back there is the compute tray. Not the compute tray, but it's kind of like a CPU, GPU all combined together. And then on the top, we just plug it into that with the mid-plane and mini-flow together. It's become like a compute tray all together.
Join me now is Reina Lin from AI team. Hello, Reina.
Hello.
Okay, Reina, we would like to know the Pega-first architect and how do we use the applications to help our industries?
This year, we are featuring 2 themes of digital twins and agentic AI. In our Pegaverse 3D asset generation engine, you can turn your ideas quickly into real-world deployments. By accelerating 3D asset generation, you can go from a single text prompt, video, image, or a case file, and all assets built on Pegaverse can be exported as USD files and vertically integrated into the Omniverse for robust simulation and training. So welcome to our booth.
In Broadband Communication Unit, here we have Alan Xu. Hello, Alan.
Hey, Victoria.
Alan, this year we are very excited to see the M2U300. How does this outdoor transceiver help advance 5G connectivity?
This is Pegatron Alan Shi. Today, I'm happy to introduce our new model 5G FWA. It's called M2U300. Before, you take hours to finish the installation of your networking device, right? But with our M2U300, you spend only a couple of minutes. Super easy, super fast to have your network immediately. Thank you.
Next, we come to InnoDisk, expert in AI and industrial solutions. Here we have Clara Chen from Public Relations. Hello, Clara.
Hello, Victoria. Hello, everyone.
Okay, Clara, this year InnoDisk's theme is focused on 5-layer key architecture for edge AI. Could you explain more?
Okay, sure. 20 years ago, InnoDisk started our business from memory and storage in industrial field, and now our product portfolio has expanded from single module to a whole system and turnkey solutions. And this year, we would like to introduce our 5-layer edge AI architecture. They are compute, memory, storage, sensing and communication, and software. And with this 5-layer, you can imagine our product as building blocks. And by stacking those building blocks, we can create any solutions which is customized for our clients from different vertical markets.
This year is also a major turning point for real AI deployment. So can you share us about the enterprise AI solutions and also industrial edge AI applications?
Okay, sure. For enterprise AI, we have on-premise LLM solutions run on our APEX systems powered by Intel processors and NVIDIA GPUs. These solutions help enterprises build secure LLM workflow and a no-code fine-tuning experience without relying on public cloud. For industry AI, we showcase diverse scenarios in different vertical markets. This includes smart container recognition for logistics, defect inspection, and a smart mobility solution integrated up to 16 channel of our GMSL camera modules for surround view heavy vehicle safety.
The theme of Computex 2026 this year is AI together. So what are your key advantages in developing AI?
Okay, our key advantage is the software and hardware integration built on solid AI infrastructure. Our industrial memory and storage serve as the strongest groundwork for data processing, and our rugged camera modules act as the eye of robots. And while our high-speed networking module ensures seamless connectivity at every edge. And our software tools make large-scale AI deployment and remote management effortless. Furthermore, we have strong collaborations with global giants like Intel, NVIDIA, and Qualcomm. We are proven to have the capability to bridge the gap between advanced compute architecture and industrial deployment. Together with our end customer, we can leverage the domain knowledge to build the most secure and reliable edge AI application in vertical market worldwide.
We're at the booth of I1124 Dataltech, focused on AI sustainable memory and storage solutions. Here with me is Amber Cao, Sales Director of Dataltech. Hello, Amber.
Hi, Victoria.
Can you introduce the main theme of Dataltech this year?
Our theme this year is AI sustainable memory and solutions. And our key idea is to transform storage from a traditional data carrier into an intelligent core that integrates AI computing, edge applications, and smart search. And we're focusing on 3 directions, including high-speed performance and AI-driven intelligence and sustainable design. Through this concept, we aim to show that future storage is not just about saving data, but about actively helping users to manage and utilize their data efficiently in daily life and work.
And how do you integrate real AI into your SSD products?
At Dataltech, AI is not a slogan, but we build into real functions. In our AI portable SSD, we integrate generative AI solutions and edge applications and rack-based smart search. And it helps users to do practical things such as automatic document summarization and intelligent file search. Combined with USB 4 high-speed transfer and MagSafe design, we're trying to create a storage experience that is more efficient, faster, and more intuitive in everyday use.
We have seen a lot of new trends this year. So what is your target market in the future?
The AI PSSD series is designed for content creators, mobile professionals, and users who need more efficient data management in daily life. We see strong demand in content creators and mobile working environments and intelligent personal management. In the future, we aim to expand AI storage into edge computing and personal data management. And at the same time, we also focus on sustainability and inclusive design. And we're trying to make AI storage easier for all users.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Finally, we arrive at Silicon Motion, specialist in high-performance SSD controllers. Here with me is Manager Eunice Chen of Silicon Motion. Hello, Eunice.
Hi, I'm Eunice.
Eunice, this year we're very excited about our new products, especially this SM2524XT PCIe Gen 5 SSD controller. So what's so new about it?
This year at Computex, we are introducing our new PCIe Gen 5 SSD controller, designed specifically for edge AI devices. What is exciting is that even with a 4-channel architecture, it can still saturate Gen 5 bandwidth and deliver Gen 5 level performance in a DRAM-less solution. SM2524ST supports 4800 megatransfer per second NAND/I/O, and the sequential read speed can reach up to 15 gigabytes. And we also added one more CPU core. It can enhance its performance capability. So more importantly, it can handle inference and KB cache workload with low and stable latency. While pushing performance to a limit, SM2524ST is built on TSMC's 6nm process and uses the PI LTT mode to reduce the NAND interface power consumption. Therefore, our ASIC active power is kept within 2.5 watts. And that's really important for Edge AI applications.
For SM2524XT, it uses a 4-channel design, but actually it has nearly 8-channel performance. So how does it help your customers?
Right now, for a DRAM shortage, it's getting harder and more expensive to get DRAM. SM2524ST is DRAM-less and can provide performance close to 8-channel without just a 4-channel solutions. This gives customer clear advantage in BOM cost and avoid the supply issues while still maintaining the good performance.
Over the past 2 years, Silicon Motion has launched a lot of brilliant products, such as SM2504XT and SM2508. Do you have any feedbacks from the market?
For SM2504ST, it's focusing on mainstream applications. It's already used by major PC OEM brands like Dell, HP, Lenovo, Acer, and Asus, as well as generic OEM. Gen 5 performance into a more cost-effective segment. For now, we have a complete Gen 5 solution covering flagship and Edge AI and mainstream applications.
From next generation AI systems to smarter storage, innovation is everywhere. For more brilliant technology, please stay tuned. This is Victoria. See you next time.